I'm holding a Pokeball. Well, it's a replica of a great ball. But ever since I was a child, this is how I've always imagined what a Pokeball would feel like. The size, the weight, but you know, a little more metallic. But this is made out of hard, durable plastic, and it feels really nice in the hand. But there's one awesome thing about this Pokeball. It's actually a 12,000 milliamp power bank. You can see the USB ports right there. 12,000 milliamp battery power bank in this little Pokeball. Well, it's actually a big Pokeball, but in this normal size Pokeball, this is actually a present for my younger brother. And as I record this video and get to know this little guy a little bit better, I'm slowly becoming envious that I'm gonna give it to him as a present rather than keep it for myself. So for all the nerds out there like myself who still play Pokemon Go, this is the perfect accessory for the next this is the perfect accessory for the next community day. Why is community so hard to say? Community day. It has 2 USB ports, so you can share with a friend, share with a sibling, or if your level of nerdiness is a dual device user for Pokemon Go, I've seen people 3, 4, 5. If you're a dual device user, you can just hog it for yourself, but you never know. You might be out there one day and a cute little girl or a cute little fella might have low battery on the phone, and you might just be the person to come and rescue them because you have 2 USB ports. Don't do that, that's just really creepy. You don't want to be that person. With all of that said though, let's actually take a look at this great ball inspired power bank. I'll show everybody how to get it up and running. You can actually turn it on. There's a button right in the middle. How to turn it off. Do the ultimate test of whether or not this can actually quick charge a phone. Let's get to it. And I choose you. Unboxing. This great ball inspired Pokemon power bank is only $23.90 from Amazon from a seller called P46 Digital. The seller also sells the traditional red and white Pokeball, so if that's more your style, I'll drop a link down below for both. So this power bank, or both of these power banks, both have a 240 gram weight, 5 volt 2 amp input, and 5 volt 2.4 amp output. And they're about approximately 8 centimeters all around. It's a spear, so it's gonna be the same size or same shape all around. So this thing is nicely packaged. The whole thing is taped around all 4 sides, so at least you know it's nice and secure inside of the box. It comes in a very nice looking, very subtle, very clean Pokeball box. In my personal opinion, I would keep the box, or at least those little holders right there on both sides, so you can have 2 little Pokeball stands when you're charging it. It is a ball, or it is a spear shape, so keep that in mind when charging. This will roll around unless it's on a flat surface. So here's all the little details. There's a shop right there, but here is the mini USB port, the 2 USB ports. It just shows you how to turn it on and turn it off. You just press the middle button 1 time to turn on, you press it 2 times to turn off. That simple to get your phone up and going, up and charging with this little device. So as I said earlier, keep that as a little Pokeball stand or a little Pokeball charger stand because this thing will roll around. I really like how it's written on the side as well that there's 12,000 milliamps as well as the input and output capacity so that you don't go over and you know what the limitations for the device is. Very simple. Turn on 1 press, turn off 2 presses, and you can see the indicator with 4 dots right there, 4 meaning that the battery is full, 75%, 2 being at 50%, 1 being at 25%, and you guys get the clue for what the rest is. 0. Here's a shameless plug. I'm going to use my magnetic cable that I got on Amazon Prime Day. Just plug it in straight into the back into either or of the inputs for the USB right there. It's magnetic cable is awesome. It has tips for iPhones, for Type-C cables, as well as just a normal micro USB. So if you want to see that video, click the card up above, check that one out. So let's see. As soon as I press this button, it should charge, and right there, charging rapidly. So on my phone, it means quick charge is enabled. You see the percentage going up right there, and it is that simple to use this this Pokeball power bank. I want to show it off a little bit with the lights off so you can see the LED indicator right there. It's nice and bright, so if you're in the dark, you can see how much charge you have left in this power bank. I said this in the intro of the video, but this Pokeball power bank is built really nicely. It feels amazing in the hands. It feels like it can take a drop or 2, but I'm gonna try my best, or I'm gonna tell my little brother to try his best not to drop it and to take really good care of it, because this is a great looking Pokeball replica, and it's great for anybody who's a Pokemon collector, anybody out there who plays Pokemon Go, or someone who just wants a different looking power bank. I give this 2 thumbs up. I highly recommend it. And while you guys are here, please check out these other videos, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe. And if you've subscribed and you haven't done this, please click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my latest videos and latest announcements. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I'll see everybody soon.